what's going on Instagram? Today's Art Tip Tuesday. I am up here in Granby, Colorado for Rocky Mountain Walls, like a little mural festival in a small mountain town. And basically what I want to talk about is this new technique I used to grid out the features and everything, and that was called the lazy grid. It's basically throwing up gibberish or whatever, symbols, anything you want to, just add something to the wall for reference marks. And you take a picture of the gibberish or whatever you put up there, and then you throw it in an editing app. So like Procreate or Photoshop, you turn down the opacity of whatever you want to paint. You put that on the top layer, and then there you have sort of like your composition with reference marks, so that you can actually know exactly where to put your lines and everything to kind of sketch it out. So, you know, that was like a new technique. I never really sort of used that before. It's really good because I don't have to have any sort of grid line or, you know, any chalk line or have it perfectly even or anything like that. It just gives you a reference of where to kind of put down marks in different areas so that you can put down the sketch really fast. So it was great because up here in Granby, Colorado, up in the mountains, it's basically rains really often, so I had to kind of get it done really fast. So it worked out, and actually it snowed this morning too, which is really crazy. It's first day of summer and it snowed, but it was really fast putting everything down, and it worked out really great. The only thing is that it was hard to sort of paint over the gibberish that I put down, but if you use like a lighter color or a transparency, you know, you can probably avoid that. So that's something I kind of learned after the first time doing it. So definitely use those techniques and just keep learning as an artist. Never stop learning. ABL, always be learning. Peace.